Hey guys, so I started messing around with the engine a little bit and pulled the valve cover off, which was a little mistake. I got a little oil on the ground. I ran over and got a container and seemed to be catching most of it. But it looks pretty nasty in here. This engine was running just a few months ago when I picked it up. But I didn't really have a chance to inspect it too much. But you can see we got quite a bit of sludge. Oh yeah, she needs a rebuild. So that'll be the next step. We'll tear this one down and get it all cleaned up. We'll take the case down to Triangle Auto Parts down here in Winter Park in Orlando and see what they think about the case. And hopefully the case is still good, and if it is, then I'll just get all the standard rebuild stuff for it and start rebuilding it. But yeah, it's pretty nasty. It's got some pretty nasty stuff in here, guys. So a little bit of slow progress going on, but what I was going to do was give it a tune-up and just change out the plugs and the wires and everything, but I decided to take the cover off, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and tear it down and not waste my time on the tune-up right now and just get it all cleaned up, tear it down. I've been wanting to do that anyway. It'd be fun. I tried to do it on the other one, but the other one was totally shot. But I did go ahead and pick up some parts, some plugs, plug wires, belt, flywheel, pulley, and stuff like that. Just your basic tune-up stuff. But I got a new coil. But taking a closer look at it, I'm gonna get an engine stand, get it on the stand and tear it down and go from there. Just should be pretty fun getting it all cleaned up. Alright guys, that's my update for the week. Not a lot going on. I was gonna try to get down to that Volkswagen graveyard today, but I didn't get a chance, so I'll try to do that next weekend. I guess we can see what the other side looks like for fun. Stand by. Alright, let's see if this one's messy. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nasty. Alright guys, see ya.